Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says the efficiency of emergency contraceptives will be seen if it is used within. Option A 72 hours of coitus, option B 42 hours of spermiation, option C 72 hours of menstruation, should be menstruation, option D 72 hours of implantation. Now let us understand the question. It says efficiency of emergency contraceptive will be seen if it is used within. First of all, what do you mean by emergency contraceptives? Okay, emergency contraceptives, as the name indicates, emergency contraceptives. Okay. Now, these are the methods. This is birth control method, which is done or which is taken. Okay, which is taken immediately, like in an emergency case. Okay, birth control method, but where pills are taken. Okay, pills, that is tablets or capsules are taken containing hormones. These will be having mainly progesterone or the combination of progesterone and estrogen. Okay, so this is done if they have not been, if the female has not been taking contraceptive pills, like usually they have to take for 21 days to regularly so as to avoid avoid pregnancy. But in case they have not been taking, in case they have not been taking these pills, so what they have to do, they have to go for this emergency contraceptive pills. Okay, these are high, these contain high amount of progesterone, and these have to be taken within 72 hours of 72 hours of coitus. Coitus means sexual activity. Okay. So once sexual activity is done, within 72 hours, the tablet have to be taken. So what is the reason that within 72 hours? Okay, 72 hours because the sperms are viable for 3 days. Okay, so approximately 72 hours. So within 72 hours, it will get inactivated. It will get, you can say, yeah, inactivated, or the motility will be reduced. Okay, and also this progesterone will increase the thickness of the. It increases progesterone. What will it do? It increases the thickness of the vaginal mucus. Increases the thickness of vaginal mucus. So because of that, what happens? The sperms will not be able to move properly. Hence, they will not reach the egg and there's no fertilization. Okay. So let us look at the question again. It says the efficiency of emergency contraceptive will be seen if it is used within. So within 72 hours. After that, if you use, there's no point because sperm would have already gone and fertilized the egg. So option A, it says 72 hours of coitus. That is correct. Option B says 42 hours of spermiation. Spermiation is nothing but the formation of the sperms, right? Like how the where the spermatids, once they mature into sperms, they will be released into the the space that is the internal space of the seminiferous tubule. And before it reaches the epididymis, it will be first released into the space of the seminiferous tubule from the Sertoli cells. Okay, so you know that Sertoli cells are the nourishing cells, right? Yes. So with the help of them, the entire sperms will be released, passing through the Sertoli cells into the lumen of the. Suppose this is the seminiferous tubule. In the lumen here, it will be released. That is what is spermiation. Okay, but here we are not talking about spermiation actually, because we are talking about emergency contraceptive pills, which are taken by the females. Okay, hence it is women. 72 hours of menstruation. No, we are not talking about menstruation. We are talking about the sperm, sperm motility or sperm, viability. So sperm viability is only for 3 days. So we are considering that, and based on that, we are saying that within 72 hours, the pills should be taken. Hence, option C is ruled out. Option D says 72 hours of implantation. Implantation means already the embryo is formed and it has got implanted in the womb. And there's no point of taking now this particular tablet, because that will actually help in continuation of the pregnancy. Once it is after implantation, these tablets are taken. Hence, it is ruled out. Okay. Okay, so the correct option is option A, that is 72 hours of coitus. So let us conclude the answer. The answer is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.